Roeders ist ein inhabergeführtes Familienunternehmen.
Roeders is a family-owned company with a history spanning over 200 years. Today I represent the sixth generation. We tackle challenging manufacturing tasks for our customers with a strong focus on innovation, reliability, and fairness. We have a large technical facility equipped with highly precise milling and grinding machines to effectively address customer needs in manufacturing technology. Our ability to develop not only the design, but also the control and drive technology in-house is a significant advantage for us. Our customers expect highest precision and dynamics, and this places very high demands on our control and drive technology. Over 50 developers work in our development department to achieve the best possible customer benefit through practical hands-on approaches.
The mechanics of our machines are manufactured with high precision, and to compensate smallest remaining errors, we additionally measure the actual geometry of the machines. We avoid thermally induced displacements through highly accurate temperature control of the machines. Individual circuits have an accuracy of better than 0.02 Kelvin. This is especially important during the calibration of compensations.
Due to the shortage of skilled workers, more and more customers are looking to automate their machines. This leads to a wide range of requirements. Our handling system, RCF, is a very space-efficient automation system for machine tools, which can be expanded for use in multi-machine installations to incorporate other technologies, for example. The longest automation system we have installed is approximately 20 meters long. This system provides tools and workpieces to 7 machines around the clock and is fully automated and controlled through our automation software.
We
have approximately 30 employees working on 20 machines in our technical center. This allows us to quickly and efficiently implement solutions for our customers, often in close collaboration. We are market leader in combining milling and jig grinding with very high precision, also in 5 axes. Additionally, we are using all high-performance cam systems in our facility. We check the accuracy of our machines by measuring with the Ticino system, achieving a precision of tenths of a micrometer. Our self-developed air conditioning system holds temperature fluctuations below 0.05 degrees for guaranteeing highest reliability of the measuring results. The special feature of the Roeders control system at first glance is ease of use. We have only a few control elements and they are not nested behind each other. Customers appreciate the option to cost-effectively upgrade the control system and thus utilizing the newest NC control features available. The advantage of these upgrades is that all machines at the customer site support the same NC control features, even on 20-year-old machines. Customers who are familiar with Heidenhain cycles and language can continue to use both on the Roeders control system. Our production halls provide ideal conditions for high precision. Temperature fluctuations of less than 0.5 degrees ensure that we have optimal conditions for assembly. Each machine is manufactured by 2 employees. 1 technician is responsible for the mechanical assembly, and 1 mechatronics specialist handles the extensive initiation.
Thanks
to our large development team in control engineering, drive technology, and machine construction, we can also quickly solve complex problems without relying on suppliers. This makes our service highly efficient and fast. In addition to our regional service technicians, we also have the option to send out technicians from production, making us very flexible and able to respond to demands as they arise. Moreover, we have the capability for remote maintenance, facilitated by our PC-based control system. This allows us to directly access the customer's machine and often resolve issues online already, resulting in high cost savings for service technicians having to travel to customers.
Stolz sind wir alle gemeinsam, dass wir es geschafft haben.
We are all proud to have continuously reinvented ourselves at Roeders, which has been in existence for 200 years. We are proud to present our solutions in over 50 countries and proud of our 400 employees in Soltau who, along with Roeders, are known worldwide for great solutions, innovative approaches, and 100% customer orientation.